Picture this. It's the start of another day, and before you even open your eyes, you can already feel the weight of everything waiting for you. The world outside is still quiet, but inside your mind, the noise has already begun. It's 6:15 a.m. The alarm explodes, shattering the silence. Instantly, your mind is off to the races. Kids' lunches to pack, looming work deadlines, a mountain of laundry, the dog whining for a walk, the desperate need for coffee, and those permission slips you forgot to sign. It's like a mental checklist that never ends, and it all hits you before your feet even touch the floor. You're juggling mascara in one hand, scrolling through urgent emails with the other, and shouting down the hallway for someone to find their shoes. The clock is ticking, and every second feels like a countdown to chaos. You're moving fast, but it never feels fast enough. The kitchen is a whirlwind of noise and clutter. Kids arguing, breakfast half made, backpacks forgotten. You're at the center of it all, trying to hold everything together. It's chaos, and you're the one holding the strings barely. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Now let's hit pause. Imagine a different kind of morning. One where you wake up not to a blaring alarm, but to gentle sunlight streaming through your window. The world feels softer, and so do you. It's the same time, 6:15 a.m., but this time the alarm is gentle, a soft chime instead of a jolt. You turn it off with a smile, not a groan. You take a moment to breathe deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs. You stretch, letting your body wake up slowly, and you open the curtains to let the morning light in. There's no rush, just a sense of calm anticipation for the day ahead. You walk to the kitchen and savor your coffee for 5 quiet minutes. No phone, no noise, just you, the warmth of the mug in your hands, and the promise of a new day. It's a small ritual, but it feels like a luxury. When the kids appear, you greet them with a calm smile. The morning feels spacious, not cramped. You're present, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally too. The tasks are still there, lunches, work, laundry, but you're responding to them, not reacting. You sit down, make a quick plan, and feel in control. The day hasn't changed, but your approach has. So what's the difference between these two mornings? It's not luck, and it's definitely not fewer responsibilities. The difference is a choice, a conscious decision to approach your day with intention, rather than letting chaos dictate your mood. It's about deciding to run your day, instead of letting your day run you. It's about reclaiming your power, even when life feels wild and unpredictable. And here's the secret. You don't need a fancy retreat, a week off, or a miracle to make this happen. You just need a few simple tools, like a breathing exercise, a moment of mindfulness, or a quick journal entry to help you reset and find your calm, even in the middle of the storm. That second morning isn't a fantasy. It's real, and it's possible for you. It's about small shifts, not massive changes. It's about giving yourself permission to slow down, even if just for a few minutes. I know, because I've lived both mornings. I've been the woman racing against the clock, and I've been the woman who found a way to breathe, to pause, and to start the day on her own terms. The secret isn't about changing your entire life overnight. It's about changing your approach, your mindset, and the way you respond to what's thrown at you. It's about installing a new mental operating system, one that defaults to calm, not chaos. With just a few simple techniques, you can pull yourself back from the brink in 5 minutes or less. You can create a buffer between you and the madness, a space where you can breathe and reset. These aren't just more things to add to your to-do list. They're the key to making everything else on that list feel manageable. They're the foundation for a calmer, more intentional life. So, are you ready to learn how to make that calm morning your new reality? Let's get started, because you deserve mornings that feel good, and a life that feels manageable, no matter how wild it gets. Let's be real. Modern women are expected to be CEOs, perfect moms, social butterflies, and self-care gurus all at once. It's an impossible standard, and the pressure is relentless. You're not alone in feeling overwhelmed. Millions of women are right there with you. This isn't a personal failing, it's a systemic problem. Outdated expectations clash with modern realities, leaving us stretched thin. That wave of anxiety or irritation? It's your nervous system saying you've hit your limit. The first step is to stop blaming yourself. You're not broken. You're carrying an inhuman load. Recognizing this is the first step to taking back control. What happens when you try to pour from an empty cup? You snap at loved ones, lose patience, and lie awake at night replaying your day. This isn't just tiredness, it's deep exhaustion from running on empty. Chronic stress takes a toll. Headaches, anxiety, brain fog, and a weakened immune system. Emotionally, you lose connection with yourself and others. Joy fades, guilt grows. The real cost? Your health, relationships, and happiness. It's not a badge of honor to be the most exhausted person in the room. You can't care for others if you don't care for yourself first. Like the airplane safety rule, put on your own oxygen mask first. It's not selfish, it's essential. Only then can you show up as the woman, partner, and mother you want to be. Let's change the script. So what's the solution? Not another complicated routine. Meet the Calm Mind System, a toolkit of simple, science-backed techniques for instant resets. These 5-minute strategies work anywhere in your car, at your desk, or during family chaos. The secret? You can't think your way out of stress, but you can act your way out. Simple physical actions signal your nervous system that you're safe. These tools interrupt the stress cycle and bring your thinking brain back online. It's not about permanent zen, it's about resilience. Think of it as your mental fire extinguisher. True self-care is woven into small moments, a breath, a stretch, a grounding exercise. The Calm Mind System helps you find and use these moments. It's not another chore, it's your secret weapon. Let's get practical with the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. When anxiety spirals, this tool pulls you back to the present using your senses. Here's how. Stop, take a deep breath. Name 5 things you can see. Really look at them. Name 4 things you can feel. Tune into physical sensations. Name 3 things you can hear. Listen closely. Name 2 things you can smell. Notice the scents around you. Name 1 thing you can taste. By the end, you've short-circuited anxiety and anchored yourself in the present. It's quick, silent, and works anywhere. Use it whenever your mind starts to race. It's your instant reset. Try it now. Next up, the power pose shift. Your body language can change your mindset in 2 minutes. When stressed, we shrink. Instead, stand like Wonder Woman, feet apart, hands on hips, chest up, or sit tall with open posture if you can't stand. Take up space. This signals strength to your brain. Before a tough meeting or task, hold a power pose for 2 minutes. Breathe deeply. Notice the shift. Tension eases, confidence rises. Science shows this lowers stress hormones and boosts confidence. You're literally changing your chemistry to handle stress better. Strike a pose before your next challenge. It's a quick, proven way to go from overwhelmed to powerful. Try it and feel the difference. Ever feel like your mind has too many tabs open? The brain dump release closes those tabs. Grab a notebook, set a timer for 5 minutes, and write down everything on your mind. No filter. Get out worries, tasks, reminders. Just let it flow. When you're done, look at the page. All that chaos is now contained. This simple act frees mental energy and reduces overwhelm. Circle the top 1 to 3 things that need attention now. The rest can wait. You haven't solved everything, but you've created order. Use this as a daily ritual or when your mind spins out. It's a fast, effective way to declutter your mind. Regain focus and calm in minutes. Try a brain dump today. You'll feel lighter. This isn't just theory, it's real transformation. These are the stories of women who decided to make a change, not by overhauling their entire lives overnight, but by taking small, meaningful steps each day. Real women, just like you, facing real challenges and finding new ways to thrive. Take Sarah, for example. She's a marketing director and a devoted mom, always juggling deadlines and daycare drop-offs. Mornings used to leave her frazzled, her mind racing with to-do lists before she even reached her car. But then, she discovered the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. After saying goodbye to her child at daycare, she took a moment for herself. Just 1 minute of grounding, naming 5 things she could see, 4 she could touch, 3 she could hear, 2 she could smell, and 1 she could taste, reset her whole day. That simple pause helped her shift from stress to presence, giving her the clarity and calm she needed to tackle whatever came next. Then there's Maria, a dedicated nurse who faces high-pressure situations every day. Before her toughest shifts, she tried the power pose, a simple stance of confidence, hands on hips, shoulders back, head held high. At first, she felt a little silly, standing tall in the break room mirror, but soon she noticed a shift. That 2-minute ritual made her feel more confident, more in control, and ready to support her patients with compassion and strength. These small acts of self-care aren't just about feeling good in the moment. They ripple out into every part of your life. When you take time to nurture yourself, you become calmer, more present, and your relationships naturally improve. You show up for your loved ones with more patience and warmth. When you're not running on stress and exhaustion, you have energy for joy, creativity, and genuine connection. You rediscover the things that light you up, whether it's painting, journaling, dancing, or simply laughing with friends and family. Life feels richer, more colorful, and more meaningful. Remember, taking care of your calm isn't selfish. It's a gift to your family and yourself. When you prioritize your well-being, you set a powerful example for those around you, showing that it's okay to pause, breathe, and care for your own needs. Every time you take a 5-minute action, whether it's a grounding exercise, a power pose, or a moment of self-care, you prove to yourself that you're capable and in control. These small wins add up, building your confidence and resilience day by day. This is about more than just managing stress. It's about building a life where you feel empowered, supported, and true to yourself. It's about creating space for new beginnings, for growth, and for the dreams you may have set aside. It's about reclaiming your life and remembering who you are beneath the responsibilities, the roles, and the endless lists. You are more than your tasks. You are a whole person, deserving of peace and fulfillment. You deserve to come home to yourself, to feel at ease in your own skin, and to find contentment in the everyday moments. Real women, real change, one small step at a time. You can do this. Start today, and watch how even the tiniest actions can lead to a life that feels more balanced, joyful, and authentically yours. You've seen how simple it can be. The path to tranquility is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality waiting for you to embrace it. A calmer, more joyful life is within reach, not with a massive overhaul, but with a decision. A decision to prioritize your well-being, to choose peace over chaos, and to find joy in the small moments. Decide to stop letting stress run your life. Imagine the freedom of living each day with intention, where stress no longer dictates your actions or emotions. Take 5 minutes for yourself. Just 5 minutes to breathe, to center yourself, and to reconnect with what truly matters. These moments of calm can transform your day. I've found an instant calm kit, a printable guide with step-by-step instructions for these techniques and more. These resources are your companion in the journey towards a more serene life. Keep it handy for quick reference whenever stress rises. Whether at home, at work, or on the go, let this guide be your anchor. This is more than a guide. It's a movement, a collective effort to reclaim our peace and joy, to support each other in this journey. Join our community of women supporting each other in reclaiming peace. Together, we can create a ripple effect of calm and happiness. Download your kit and get an invite to our private online group. Connect with like-minded individuals who are on the same path. Share your wins, ask for help, and connect with others on the same journey. Every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. You're not alone, we're stronger together. In unity, we find strength and encouragement to keep moving forward. Click the link, download your kit, and take the first step. This small action can lead to profound changes in your life. Subscribe to Happy Life Secrets TV for more inspiration. Let us be your source of motivation and guidance on this journey. The calm you want starts now. You deserve it. Embrace this moment and let it be the beginning of a beautiful transformation.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video on Happy Life Secrets TV. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop us a comment below and let us know what you think or share your own secrets to a happy life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. We're here to bring a smile to your day with tips, tricks, and secrets to a happier life. See you in the next video.
Today is another good day. Unlock the path to your best self. Discover the transformative power of the 12 Happy Life Secrets. Embrace all of them and watch your happiness thrive. Remember, your happy life is an inside job.